I saw you sa vlogger.
Really?
She's a vlogger.
Guillermo. Nice to meet you, Guillermo. Friends, Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. Today guys is a holiday. It's August 21. It's 3:34 p.m. so I'm going to Catmon. So for the first time after 5 months, mulaag na ko. I mean, not really laag, but I'll just do an ocular there in KUYA JOM'S crib. Right now kay naghuwat ko sa bus. Join me in this adventure and let's go. Hey! Salamat po. Hey guys, so finally nakasakay na ko after 1 hour. Hi kuya. So currently I'm here at the bus stop. So as you can see, there's a lot of buses here. So yes guys, so let's go inside. Thank you. So before you can get in guys, you need to have an alcohol and they will check your temperature if wala ba kainit or something. So alin na rin magano guys, mag-stop ang mga bus drivers na mga on sila, na mag-snack. So this is the driver's lounge. Libre man ako ya.
Oh, libre na.
Sana all.
Salamat Tim.
Amo na lang magkaon. Kuya, bitaw kaya libre niya pagkaon diri kuya.
Libre.
Kamu may magsukad sad.
Kami na magsukad.
Yeah.
Kami ka na. Kumbira ba ni kumbira?
So kung papa kay ari sa siya mukaon guys, basta kuan. Sana mag-drive siya. So here in bus stop guys, you can also buy balut. If you don't know what's balut guys, so it's a fetus of a chicken. So that's it.
No vinegar and salt.
So but I don't eat balut guys, so if you want to try it, come here in the Philippines, you can also try balut. Nanatagid na siya, pitos bidira.
21, nanapay piso.
Ah, okay. Lami kuya.
Lami kayo.
Lami.
We're back in the bus and bato na ni sa Let's go.
A few moments later.
So I'm now here in Catmon, and right now kay nagpaabot ko sa ilang ni Joseph, my friend Joseph, and Ben. Kay wala ko kabaw kung asan ako. Mag-wait na ko nila kay napam ko.
Dali.
Joseph! Social distancing na!
Naka-helmet. Oh, lalapaw ka. Kaya?
Go! Now here in Catmon, so I'm with KUYA JOM'S. Say hi, Kuya.
Hi.
So he is a dive master here.
Scuba diver, right?
Pero anyways guys, so kuha lang mi diri mag-chill. I'm with Seth. Hey Seth! Long time no see, and si Ben.
Si Ben. Motolagan.
Nag-vlog sad ka?
Kuan lang, motor.
Ah, okay. Next week kay mag-scuba ko. So
Next week, Jom, balik siya.
next week. Yes, I'll be back here.
Saka day.
Saturday, Sunday, mas
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday.
But you know what? After 5 years, 5 months a day. Oh my God. Oh, nakalimot na kasi mga timing.
Time.
Pilo na ko palisod-lisod nila ba?
Oh, sige.
Para-
We have to bring food also.
Para inig Sunday, mga nanay naman sa Chay Buhaton at the same time content po sa yung vlog. Fitness na ilang pag underwater experience. So,
sige.
lang.
Oh, listen, nag-shot na pinas Guillermo, ana. Hala, no? Madami na sa New York Day. Film production, mag-good siya. Film production, nagtrabaho ko sa New York. New York City. Kaya malingaw na siya, anak, Jom.
Kuya, nice kayo mong kuhan, kuya. Oh, lighting effects.
Uy, mo ayos oh.
Oh, they came from scuba dive.
This is
I
Daisy.
saw you sa ano sa vlogger.
Really?
She's a vlogger.
Hi!
Guillermo.
Guillermo. Nice to meet you,
That's why she
Guillermo.
wants to vlog.
Yeah. How's your day today?
Oh, awesome.
Wow.
Had a great one. Visibility good. Everything just a little tired, winded. Carrying a heavy tank, which I'm about to take off.
Nice.
And I will definitely come back here probably in a couple of days.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll also dive next week.
I want to, yeah. I try to dive as many times as I can.
Yay! Anong ka? Nakakita ka na ako.
Sa vlog
Sa asa?
sa katong saum.
So,
Nagtanaw ko mga fins. Yeah. I mean online ba and then I saw it came up saying vlog.
oh, amazing! Nakatalapalit ko, guys.
Fins katong leader fins.
Oo. Na, amazing naman. Dugay na ka din nag-dive-dive.
Okay, Dollar man sa Sugod ng province na
Especially if it's about
Dollar. So
Sige, nice. Ano yung name mo?
Francis.
Francis! Ni Fran. Charot! Diba tayo mag-dive-dive na ko din, guys. So, shout out for
Ano
me.
mo handle di mo? Master Tata.
Si Kuya Tata. Hi, Kuya Tata.
Hello, good
So,
afternoon.
ikaw ako na akong mag-handle na ko.
Next week.
Please take care of me, Kuya. Charot! Dito. So, this is Kuya Jom'S crib, guys.
Sir PJ. Siya po na to, dive master ng Paddy. So, siya po, handle po na ninyo by next week.
Yeah, excited ko. Oh my God.
excited sa go next week.
Nice kayo, guys. Oh.
Kita
Ano
pala.
sa ito nag-last ng kita? February?
Oh.
March?
Feb.
You know what?
Feb.
Red kayo ka wala. Ano ay auto?
Wala kayo puti nga. Good luck sa color grade. Okay na.
Are you excited for next week?
Yeah, I'm excited. yeah, so I'm excited. Pero low energy pa. Yeah. Oh. Excited.
Mag-bite good og lips ko mag-picture, no?
Kagat labi. Hipon.
Wow! So yummy! Sige, come on.
Kinayaan.
Sisig. Sisig. Ano nila sisig?
Pork. Specialty na ni Julie. Sisig ka po, kasi sige ka.
So yes guys, so we're done with our ocular. So next week, we're gonna come back here because we'll have our scuba diving and I'm excited. Super good as in. And then we're gonna stay here for 2 days. I'm so excited and
I'm so
something to
excited.
look forward for next week. So stay tuned guys for next week. I have an exciting vlog for you guys. So, oh my gosh. Well, maybe mga after 2 weeks pa na ako ma-edit kay syempre, mag-edit pa and I have work during
Ako
weekdays.
bahala sa B-rolls.
Yes!
Bahala sa
Nice,
B-roll.
nice! This is the bureau. Oh, by the way guys, diba, I mentioned to you that my master in editing. So, no na siya akong master yun. So, dako kaya akong pasalamat with ani niya na he's the one who taught me how to edit my vlogs.
Ay, basic ra good. Basic ra.
Yes, pero
Ang the rest siya na kay grabe, basic lang ha, pero at the same time nagsige good siya learn, so level up good na.
yay!
Just keep shooting.
Yes, thank you so much, Safi.
Ay, salamat kayo. Guys, ako kaya pasalamat sa inyo kayo mo shout out.
Charot. So that will be all guys. I'll end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new upload. And also guys, please follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daysee, D-A-Y-S-E. So that's all guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye! Kuya Joms, thank you so much, Kuya Joms, for the nice dinner. So yummy. So we'll see you again next week.
Next week.
Yay! Bye, Kuya Joms. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Wait, social distancing. I already did, yeah.
That's nice. Thank you
Yeah,
so
am I
much.
here? Is that me?
Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, humble home.